Composite structures versus pure steel structures. Which one is better? Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, your go-to channel for civil and structural engineering insights. If you're passionate about construction and structural innovation, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. When designing modern buildings, bridges, and infrastructure, engineers often debate between composite structures and pure steel structures. Both materials play a significant role in structural engineering, but they serve different purposes based on factors like strength, cost, weight, and durability. So, which one is better? Let's break it down. What are composite structures? A composite structure combines two or more different materials to optimize structural performance. The most common combination is steel and concrete, where steel beams, columns, or reinforcement bars are embedded within concrete to enhance strength and durability. Composite structures take advantage of the compressive strength of concrete and the tensile strength of steel, making them ideal for high-rise buildings, bridges, and heavy infrastructure. Advantages of composite structures: high strength and load capacity. By combining materials, composite structures distribute loads efficiently, reducing overall weight while maintaining strength. Better fire resistance. Concrete provides natural fire protection for steel, reducing the need for additional fireproof coatings. Reduce material costs. Using a combination of materials optimizes costs, as less steel is needed compared to pure steel structures. A lower maintenance. Concrete protects steel from corrosion, reducing long-term maintenance costs. However, composite structures require more complex construction techniques. The connection between steel and concrete must be carefully designed to prevent issues like thermal expansion, differential movement, and cracking. What are pure steel structures? Pure steel structures are made entirely of structural steel, beams, columns, and frames that form the backbone of the building. These structures are commonly used in skyscrapers, industrial buildings, and long-span bridges because of steel's exceptional strength and flexibility. Advantages of pure steel structures: higher strength-to-weight ratio. Steel is stronger and lighter than concrete, allowing for taller buildings and longer spans. Faster construction. Steel components are prefabricated, allowing for quick on-site assembly and reduced labor costs. Flexibility and ductility. Steel bends instead of breaking, making it ideal for earthquake-resistant designs. Recyclability. Steel is 100% recyclable, making it a sustainable material for construction. However, steel structures have higher initial costs, require fireproofing treatments, and can be prone to corrosion in harsh environments. Key differences and applications. Strength and durability. Composite structures offer a balance between compressive and tensile strength, while pure steel structures excel in high-strength and long-span applications. Fire resistance. Concrete in composite structures provides better fire resistance, while pure steel structures need fireproof coatings. Construction speed. Pure steel structures are faster to build due to prefabrication, whereas composite structures require on-site curing and assembly. Cost efficiency. Composite structures are more cost-effective due to the optimized use of materials, while pure steel structures have higher upfront costs but may save time in construction. Maintenance and longevity. Composite structures require less maintenance since concrete protects steel from corrosion, while pure steel structures need regular inspections and coatings to prevent rust. Which one is the better choice? The choice depends on the project requirements. For high-rise buildings, bridges, and cost-efficient construction, composite structures are often the best option due to their fire resistance, durability, and cost savings. For tall skyscrapers, industrial structures, and seismic zones, pure steel structures are preferred because of their strength, flexibility, and ease of construction. Conclusion: both composite structures and pure steel structures have their advantages. Composite structures offer a cost-effective, fire-resistant, and durable solution, while pure steel structures provide high strength, flexibility, and faster construction. The best choice depends on the project's budget, design needs, and environmental conditions. Want to learn more about modern construction materials? Subscribe to Blueprint to Reality for expert insights into engineering and structural design. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next one.